Mamang thakta tawkhibagum BJP na miyam khangna vote khombagi thabak chawna handaki mikhal asigidamak ꯆꯠꯊꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ BJP ꯗ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯅ BJP ꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯏꯅꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯔꯦꯞ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯁꯨꯡꯁꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯄꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯌꯟ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯇꯔꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯐꯤꯌꯔ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯏꯗꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯗꯥꯛꯇꯔ 𝗧𝗛𝗏 ꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯊꯝꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫ ꯅꯣꯔꯊ ꯏꯁ ꯋꯤꯟꯗꯣ ꯇꯤꯚꯤꯗ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ MP ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯌꯟ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯗꯥꯛꯇꯔ 𝗧𝗛𝗏 ꯍꯥꯏ BJP ꯅ ꯃꯤꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯝꯄꯦꯟꯗ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯊꯝꯗꯦ, ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯨꯠꯇ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯊꯨꯡꯍꯟꯕꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤ꯫ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅꯁꯨ BJP ꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯅꯔꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯣꯗꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯆꯤꯡ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯊꯥꯖꯩ꯫ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯡ ꯊꯨꯡꯍꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯃꯟꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅ BJPꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯔꯦꯞ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯅꯥꯎꯖꯝ ꯕꯁꯟꯇꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔ ꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯁꯨꯡꯁꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯄꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤ꯫ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯝ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯅꯔꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯣꯗꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯨꯆꯤꯡ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯋꯦꯜꯐꯤꯌꯔꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯝ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯂꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯐꯪꯍꯜꯂꯤ, ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯡ ꯊꯨꯡꯍꯟꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯈꯤ꯫ BJP ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯅ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯔꯤꯖꯅꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯥꯒꯥ ꯄꯤꯄꯜꯁ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯟꯇ BJP ꯅ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯤꯈꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯐꯣꯡꯅ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯔꯤꯖꯅꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯀꯨꯝꯊꯔꯛꯂꯒ ꯆꯠꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯪꯕ ꯋꯥꯍꯪ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯎꯈꯨꯝꯗ ꯗꯥꯛꯇꯔ 𝗧𝗛𝗏 ꯍꯥꯏ NPF ꯅ ꯅꯣꯔꯊ ꯏꯁ ꯗꯦꯃꯣꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯤक ꯑꯦꯂꯥꯏꯟꯁ NEDA ꯗ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯨꯕꯅ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯗꯦꯃꯣꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯤक ꯑꯦꯂꯥꯏꯟꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ NPF ꯑꯁꯤ ꯏꯃꯨꯡ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯒꯨꯝꯕꯅꯤ꯫ ꯏꯃꯨꯡ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯨꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯅꯔꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯣꯗꯤꯅ NDA ꯗ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ NPF ꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯅ ꯁꯧꯒꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯦꯞ ꯂꯧꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ꯫ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ BJP ꯅꯁꯨ NPF ꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯔꯦꯞꯇ ꯁꯧꯒꯠꯄ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ BJP ꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯏꯊꯧꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯗꯥꯛꯇꯔ 𝗧𝗛𝗏 ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯔꯛꯂꯤ꯫
Our party, we do not emphasize on the campaign of election. Rather, we emphasize on the activities and delivery of service to the people. Perhaps all of you might have heard that for the last 10 years under the leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, more than 180 schemes, social welfare scheme was implemented, covering all sections of the communities, for middle class and the upper class. All these we are clubbing together and carrying. So people know it. We are not campaigning. We are servicing to the people. People know it. BJP is working for the people. Therefore, this is the sacred mantra of us. We are starting right from 10 years.